Classic scones with jam and whipped cream. Ingredients: plain flour for dusting, 3 cups of self-rising flour, 80 grams of butter, chilled and cubed, 1 and 1/4 cups of milk, jam to serve, whipped cream to serve. Preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Sift self-rising flour into a large bowl. Using your fingertips, rub butter into flour until mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Make a well in the center, then add 1 cup of milk. Mix with a flat-bladed knife until mixture forms a soft dough, adding more milk if required, then turn onto a lightly floured surface. Knead gently until smooth, don't knead dough too much or scones will be tough. Lightly dust a flat baking tray with plain flour. Pat dough into a 2 cm thick round. Using a 5 cm diameter round cutter, cut out 12 rounds. Press dough together and cut out remaining 4 rounds. Place scones onto prepared baking tray, 1 cm apart. Sprinkle tops with a little plain flour and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden and well risen. Transfer to a wire rack, then serve warm with jam and cream.